Hello, my name is Ash. I'm from Sudan and we run an agribusiness interested in growing some garlic. We have come here to see Maria's machinery and it was good timing to see the machinery working in action in harvest. We have seen two of their machineries working side by side alongside manual labor and we are very impressed with its performance so far. We have heard a lot about their innovations and their technologies, and we are very happy that we got the chance to see it in front of our eyes because it is great technology and we hope to work with Maria Machinery moving forward. Thank you very much, Maria Machinery, for having us, and it was a pleasure for us. Thank you.